6.3, 18th one. For the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. Find all the points at which tangent passes through the origin. Tangent passes through the origin. Suppose this is the tangent at this point. Given that tangent to the curve passes through the origin. So origin is some point on the tangent. So anywhere, that can be anywhere. So 0, 0 is a point on the tangent. That is what given. So we have to find the points, find all the points at which tangent passes through the origin. Suppose at this point of the curve, tangent passes through the origin. So satisfying that, we can find the points on the curve. So suppose this point, that point of contact is not given. So that point we can take as alpha beta. So this point take as alpha comma beta. So we have to find the values of alpha beta. Find all the points alpha beta satisfying that tangent passes through the origin. That is a condition given. So tangent passes through the origin. So we can find the equation of tangent in terms of alpha beta. We can find it. So using this we can find slope of the tangent. So dy by dx equal to 4 into, that is 12x square minus 10x raised to 4. 12x square minus 10x raised to 4. So this is the slope of the tangent. Now we will find the slope. We are finding the equation of tangent at the point alpha comma beta. So here point is not given. So we have, in the place of point we will substitute alpha and beta. So we have to find the slope of the tangent at the point alpha beta. Therefore slope of the tangent at alpha comma beta. Always we have to find the slope of the tangent at that particular point. That point we have to substitute in the dy by dx. Now we can substitute alpha beta here. That is equal to 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha raised to 4. So that is the slope of the tangent. Now we have to find the equation of tangent. Here point alpha beta. So equation of tangent at alpha beta. That is equal to y minus y1, that is beta, equal to slope of the tangent, m. M means slope of the tangent, that is 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha raised to 4 into x minus alpha. So this is the equation of the tangent. Now we have to find the values of alpha beta. Only that this is given. So what we are going to do is we will get two equations involving alpha and beta. For that, we can say that it is given that this tangent at alpha beta passes through the origin 0, 0. So that this is the equation of tangent. So in this we can substitute 0, 0 because this tangent passes through the origin. Therefore, substituting it passes through origin. It passes through origin 0, 0. So we can substitute this point in this equation. So we get. So we can substitute here 0 minus beta, that is minus beta equal to 0 minus alpha into 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha raised to 4. So now minus from both sides we can cancel. So we got beta equal to alpha into 12 alpha square minus 10 alpha raised to 4. That is equal to 12 alpha cube alpha into minus 10 alpha raised to 5. Now we got one equation involving alpha and beta. Now we can find one more equation involving alpha and beta. For that, see, we know this curve, this alpha beta is a point on the curve. So this is the equation of the curve. So we can substitute alpha beta in the equation of the curve. So alpha beta is a point. Alpha beta is a point on the curve. Therefore, substituting in that curve, we can get alpha beta, y equal to beta. So beta equal to x equal to alpha, 4 alpha cube minus 2 alpha raised to 5. So we got these two equations involving, this is 1, this is 2. So we got two equations involving 1 and 2, involving alpha and beta. So solving that we can find alpha and beta. We want to find alpha and beta. So we'll find, solving that we can find. So from 1 and 2, see, equation 1 and 2, left side is beta. So we can equate the right side. So from 1 and 2 we can write From 1 and 2, we can equate the right side. That is 12 alpha cube minus 10 alpha raised to 5 equal to here 4 alpha cube minus 2 alpha raised to 5. So we can write 12 alpha cube. Take all this side. So 12 alpha cube. So we can write directly. See 12 alpha cube minus 4 alpha cube. That is 8 alpha cube. Minus 10 alpha raised to 5 minus plus. Minus become plus. So minus 8 alpha raised to 5 equal to 0. So 8 we can cancel. Therefore alpha cube minus alpha raised to 5 equal to 0. Now we can take common. Alpha cube into 1 minus alpha square equal to 0. Using this we want to find alpha. Therefore alpha cube equal to 0. That means alpha equal to 0 or 1 minus alpha square equal to 0. So that means alpha square equal to 1, alpha equal to plus or minus 1. So we got 3 values for alpha, 0, plus 1, minus 1. Then we can find the corresponding values of beta. Therefore beta equal to, when alpha equal to 0, see we can substitute any one of the equation 1 or equation 2. Then alpha equal to 0, in substituting in 1, beta equal to 12 alpha cube minus 10 alpha raised to 5. So 0 minus 0, 0. Now when alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 12 into 1, 12 minus 10, that is 2. 2. Then alpha equal to minus 1, beta equal to 12 into minus 1, minus 12, minus 10 into minus 1 raised to 5, minus 1. So minus 12 plus 10, that is minus 2. So the required points are alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 0. 0, 0, alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 2. Then alpha equal to minus 1, beta equal to minus 2. So these are the required points on the curve at which tangent passes through the origin. So that is the answer. Now question number 19. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope of the tangent equal to 0. So we can find the slope of the tangent and we can equate to 0. So slope of the tangent we can find. So how to find slope of the tangent using this? This is implicit form, so we have to find dy by dx. So differentiate each term with respect to x. So 2x plus 2y into derivative of y, that is y dash, or dy by dx. We can write dy by dx or y dash. Minus 2 into derivative x1 minus 2. Derivative minus 3, 0, 0. So from this we can find 2y y dash equal to 2 minus 2x. 2y y dash equal to 2 minus 2x, that is equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Y dash equal to 2 into 1 minus x divided by 2y. So 2 into 1 minus x, 2 into 1 minus x divided by 2y. So cancel 2. So we get 1 minus x by 1. And we know, find the points on the curve at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. So tangent is parallel to x-axis means slope of the tangent equal to 0. So since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equal to 0. This is equal to 0 means numerator equal to 0. That means 1 minus x equal to 0, therefore x equal to 1. So we got x coordinate 1. Now substituting x equal to 1 in the equation of the curve, we can find y coordinate. So substitute in the equation 1. Substituting in 1, substitute in equation 1. We get x equal to 1. 1 plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore we get y square equal to 5 minus 1, 4. So y equal to plus or minus 2. So when x equal to 1, y equal to plus or minus 2. So question is find the points on the curve at which tangent is parallel to x-axis. So there are 2 points. Which are the 2 points? X coordinate 1, y coordinate plus or minus 2. Therefore the required points are 1 plus or minus 2. So these are this is the required point on the curve so that tangent is parallel to x-axis. Now see question number 20. find the equation of normal at the point. Point is given am square am cube. Am square am cube. This is the point on the curve at which we want to find the equation of normal for the curve. What is the curve? So suppose this is the curve ay square equal to x cube. This is the given curve. We have to find the equation of the normal at the point. Suppose this is the point am square. This is the point am square am cube. So at this point we want to find, this is tangent. We have to find that equation of normal. So we want to find the equation of normal, we want point and slope of the normal. So slope of the normal we can find from the equation of the curve. What is the equation of the curve? Ay square equal to x cube. This is the equation of the curve. First we can find slope of the tangent, then we can find slope of the normal. So from this we have to differentiate and find dy by dx. So we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. So a into 2y into y dash, 2y into dy by dx equal to 3x square. Therefore y dash equal to 3x square divided by 2ay. So this is the slope of the tangent dy by dx, y dash, that is dy by dx. So slope of the tangent equal to 3x square by 2ay. Now point is given, so we can substitute this point am square am cube. So at am square am cube, slope of tangent equal to 3 into substitute x square am square, that is a square m raised to 4 divided by 2a into y is am cube. So that is equal to here 3a square m raised to 4 divided by 2a square m cube. So a square we can cancel and we get 1 m cube also we can cancel, that is 3m by 2. So that is equal to 3m divided by 2. So that is the slope of the tangent. So to find the equation of normal, we want to find slope of the normal. Therefore slope of the normal. So slope of normal equal to minus 1 by 3m by 2. That is equal to minus 2 by 3m. Now we can find the equation of the normal, that is y minus y1, that is am cube equal to slope of the normal minus 2 by 3m into x minus x1, that is am square. So simplifying this, you will get the equation of normal. Okay.